Do you know how to use Valvoline Multispray? Why it's important, how to do it, what to look for? My name is Dejan and I have the answers. Valvoline Multispray is an all-purpose liquid lubricant which can be used to clean and lubricate, release seized components, and preserve and protect electrical components. Simply apply multispray to restore and polish metal surfaces, lubricate metal components, and protect them from moisture and rust, and to remove adhesive residue. Formulated with friction-reducing additives, Valvoline Multispray rapidly loosens difficult to undo nuts, bolts, or fasteners, or breaks the bond of rusted parts that are stuck together. Thanks to friction-reducing lubricants, Valvoline Multispray rapidly loosens corroded fasteners and also reduces squeaks. Multispray can also be applied to electrical plugs and connections to keep out moisture, and it's great at removing fingerprints and grease after servicing an engine. Multispray is also great at repelling water from components such as electrical contacts, ignition leads, etc. Multispray is also brilliant at cleaning stainless steel parts and removes strong and stubborn glue too.